If you're looking to reinstall your factory stereo without the headache of complicated wiring, Scosche's wiring harness adapter is exactly what you need. Designed to plug directly into your factory stereo, it eliminates guesswork and messy connections, making your installation smooth and straightforward. Crafted with factory-quality wire and connectors, this adapter matches the durability and performance you expect from your vehicle's original equipment. That means you get a reliable connection every time, without worrying about compatibility or electrical issues. What makes this wiring harness stand out is its adherence to the EIA industry standard color-coded wires. This thoughtful design simplifies the installation process, so you can easily identify each wire and connect it correctly without second-guessing. It's a small detail that saves time and frustration. Scosche has been a trusted name in car audio accessories for over 40 years, specializing in affordable, high-quality products like dash kits, wiring harnesses, adapters, and amplifier wiring kits. Their decades of experience show in every product they create, including this wiring harness adapter. When you choose Scosche, you're not just buying a product, you're gaining peace of mind. Every wiring harness adapter comes with a limited lifetime warranty. That's right, if anything goes wrong, you're covered for the life of the product. On top of that, Scosche offers lifetime tech support. Their expert team is ready to help with any questions or troubleshooting you might need, no matter how long you've owned the product. That kind of ongoing support is rare and invaluable. One satisfied customer shared how this adapter restored their 1998 Dodge Ram 2500's factory harness after it had been cut by a previous owner. Instead of struggling with a damaged setup, they were able to reinstall an aftermarket stereo with the correct adapter, thanks to Scosche's clear wiring instructions and quality components. The package includes detailed guidance on wire functions, even though the wire colors differ from the original factory harness. This clarity ensures you won't have to guess or risk incorrect connections, which can cause costly damage or poor audio performance. What changes when you use this adapter? You get a clean, factory-like installation that maintains your vehicle's integrity. No more messy splices or unreliable connections. It's a straightforward solution that saves you time and protects your investment. Why does this matter? Because a proper wiring harness adapter prevents electrical issues, ensures your stereo works flawlessly, and keeps your vehicle's resale value intact. It's a small upgrade that delivers big benefits. If you've ever wrestled with wiring your car stereo or dealt with a cut harness, this adapter is worth a look. It's designed to make your life easier and your sound system better, all while backed by a brand that stands behind its products. Try it when you're ready to restore your factory stereo setup or upgrade your vehicle's audio without hassle. With Scosche's wiring harness adapter, you're choosing quality, reliability, and support that lasts. Whether you're a professional installer or a DIY enthusiast, this adapter fits seamlessly into your workflow. It's a dependable piece that helps you get the job done right the first time, every time. Plus, the lifetime warranty and tech support mean you're never left on your own. If questions come up or you need assistance down the road, Scosche's team is just a call or email away. This wiring harness adapter isn't just a product, it's a solution that respects your vehicle and your time. It's made to meet high standards, so you don't have to settle for less when reinstalling or upgrading your stereo. In short, Scosche's wiring harness adapter plugs into your factory stereo with ease, matches factory quality standards, and comes with a lifetime of support and warranty. It's a smart investment for anyone serious about their car audio setup. If that's you, this adapter is ready to make your installation simpler and your stereo sound better. Don't let wiring problems hold you back. Choose Scosche and experience the difference quality makes. Remember, a clean, reliable connection means better sound and fewer headaches. Scosche's wiring harness adapter delivers exactly that, backed by decades of trusted experience and customer satisfaction.